Alright guys, welcome to another video. This is a nice quick one, just to share a bit of excitement guys. I've got myself a new toy. These are the Corsair HS70SEs. A little bit more about these in a sec. The reason I ended up getting a new headset, as you guys can see in the background here, this is my Steel Series set. I've had these for years and years and years, but unfortunately back in April the left hand side broke, so the audio wasn't coming through anymore, and so it was working on the right hand side and the mic was working. So I've used them like that since April, while I kind of looked around and decided what do I want to do. Was thinking of just replacing these with a very similar set, but then I thought maybe it's a good time to try to get rid of this wire, because I keep also one of the snags with this is I actually literally keep hooking myself on the desk, or the cables are just very short on that set. So the Corsair HS70 is a wireless set. It looks really nice. This is the special edition, like I said. Etech actually had these as they came into the country, cheaper than what they were selling the normal HS70s for. So I saw an opportunity and I grabbed it and I bought them. And here they are. So let's have a quick open in the box, see what's inside, and then we'll just test the mic out. Okay, so let's get started. Here's the box. You guys saw that already. Standard unboxing tool most people use. Slice it open here at the back. Keep that over there just in case we need it. This is a nice, like, this here is embossed so you can feel what they feel like. It's actually quite cool. Let's open it up here. That looks upside down. Okay, let's flip it around. That's a bit strange. I would have actually faced it the other way, so it looks like it's on the box. Ooh, look at that. Did you get a glimpse? Oh yeah. Let's get those out there. Okay. What we got here? Okay. Standard stuff. Looks like warranty guides and manuals. You know, all that important stuff that you should be reading. There's another one. Cool, good story about that. Okay, here we got some. There they are, they sit. Oh, I'm excited. Did they just come out? No, okay. Feels like they've got they've got twisty things. Okay. Let's get that out here quickly. Tell you what. Let me just skip this weird untwisty part. Okay, so out of the box, that's what they look like. I've taken little twisty things off that were over here so we can pull this thing out quickly. Come to me. Don't resist it. There we go. Okay, so that's what they look like. Exciting. There's some stuff in the box here. Let's have a quick look. I see here that we got pull this open. And cable stuff. So okay, like I said, it's a wireless set, so that's obviously the adapter to plug into your computer. 2.4 range. Cool story. What else is in here? This is really cool. This is actually the mic. As you saw when I showed you the headset, now there's no mic built in. It's actually detachable. Let's get rid of this guy and that. And then this just looks like a standard USB cable, I assume to charge the batteries inside of here. What do we have here? Okay, we've got a volume up down. We've got a mute button, USB to charge it. What's that? I assume this is probably, yeah, okay, so that's where the mic attaches in. Not going to do that now. What else we got? These are nice and squishy, bends well, looks good. I'm excited guys. Okay, looks good. I can keep saying that as much as I want. And power button, okay, and that's blinking, obviously trying to tell me that something needs to happen, or I'll push that. Okay, cool, it's trying to pair already. Let's have a quick jump onto my computer just to test out the mic and what they actually sound like. And transition. Alright guys, as you can see, headset is on, looks nice, clean look, plugged in the headphone, which is literally microphone, sorry, which is kind of like a headphone jack actually. You plug it in over here on the side. Just got the mic in a decent position here. It's very flexible, very bendy. I like that about it quite a lot. I'm not doing anything in terms of post, I'm not doing any sort of editing, so as you hear it, that's how it's going to sound. So yeah, I've listened to a little bit of music. I haven't installed any software. I know that Corsair offers a piece of software called Q, which helps with 7.1 surround. But this is very much a first impressions. My new toy, I'm excited, I want to try it out. I'll fiddle a little bit more to get this neater in future, kind of tweak it as the settings go. But that's not what this video is about. So I'm going to just jump into a quick game. You guys are going to see my impressions as we play, and I'm going to stop saying and yeah, just keep talking, you'll hear as I sound. Let's jump into a game of everyone's favorite Counter-Strike. Okay, no, we can't buy anything. Okay. Also, give me a break, very long time since I've played a game of Counter-Strike, so this is probably going to be a comedy video as well. Yeah, these oaks behind me like nobody's business. Okay, didn't see that guy. Ooh, big explosion. Sounds very cool. Aim for the head, Tarn. Good exchange there. Hearing shots flying, not seeing anyone. Got the AK. Tell you what guys, it is good to hear things in stereo again. Yeah, those footprints. And I'm dead. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. That was a pretty poor display of what Counter-Strike should look like, but that's a different story. The headsets themselves work well. It is good, funny as it might sound to you, it is good to hear things in stereo again. I don't know what this mic sounds like. We'll see when I post this, because I haven't heard it myself yet. But yeah, I love the fact that they're wireless, so I can do this. And that's fun. Guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more about these headsets, I'll be using these on all my videos moving forward in gameplay, so you can always kind of watch that to check them out and to watch me play games, because that's what I do and people seem to like doing that too. Hit me up with a like button, click there, and a subscribe if you're new around here, and I will see you guys in another video sometime soon. Live long and rock on.